Daniel, how can I help you?
Hello, yes, I have this message on my computer. It tells me to call this number.
Okay, and may I know your name, whom I'm speaking with?
Yes, my name is Terry. Terry.
Hi, Terry, and what do you see on your computer screen right now? Could you just read the message for me?
Yeah, I see it says, let me see, it says, Microsoft protected your PC. Microsoft Smart Screen prevented an unrecognized app from starting. Running this app might put your PC at risk. Call Microsoft on 833-583-0800.
Okay. Do you see any error number on that message which you can provide me?
All I see it says, let me see, it says publisher, unknown publisher, and then app Microsoft 10 manager 1.exe. But I mean, hold on, there's stuff in, actually I see an error code at the bottom right of my screen. Do you need that?
Yeah, could you help me with the error code?
Yeah, 0x802440 2C.
0x8024402C, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, just give me 1 minute here. Let me just decode this error code for you, okay? Is it on your laptop or on your desktop?
This is a desktop.
Okay. Well, I just decoded the error code which you gave me, and it's talking about some suspicious activity. It says due to some suspicious activity, the computer got locked. Somebody tried to access your computer without your knowledge.
Okay. So what do we have to do, like, to get these people out?
So I would like to know, how did you get this suspicious activity? I mean, what you were doing at that point of time when you get this alert message
Yeah,
on your computer screen?
I was just trying to go to my email.
And are you able to go online? I mean,
I don't know, like, whenever I try to go to a different website, it keeps blocking me, like I can't do anything.
so you're not able to go online. It's not letting you to do anything,
Yeah, like
correct?
I can't, like I can't click out of the message.
Okay. All right. Give me 1 minute here.
All right.
So in case we got disconnect, will that be the same number to call you back, Terry? 571-248-1703.
Yes, that's my phone number.
Okay. Right. See, the reason why your computer locked, because like I said, due to suspicious activity. Second thing is your computer does not recognize the owner of the computer because due to the suspicious activity, and that's the reason it got locked up today.
Okay.
For your safety and security, so that person cannot steal your identity. And this computer which you are on right now, is it a home computer, or that's your personal, or it's an office computer?
It's my personal computer.
Okay, and what you do on this computer, like what all websites you visit through this computer?
I usually just use this for like Facebook, email, YouTube. Lately I've had to do some work on it, but yeah.
Okay, you do office work as well in this computer sometime, correct?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Right, Trey, what we will do here is we will diagnose this problem for you, and I want you to diagnose this. And so I will tell you a couple of troubleshooting steps, technical troubleshooting steps. I want you to follow my steps, okay?
All right.
Now, first of all, we'll have to make sure that we're talking to the right person because, like I said, it's a suspicious activity. So the person could, anybody call in. So I want you to make sure that I'm talking to the right person. And for that, we will going to confirm your computer license ID, which is registered with the Microsoft with us.
Okay.
Okay. If it's correct in your computer, then I will move further and assist you with this problem, Terry. Okay.
All right.
All right. Now look at your keyboard, left hand side, down at the very bottom, you will see CTRL, and next to CTRL there would be a FN button, and next to FN there would be a Windows button, right?
Wait. So on the bottom left corner of my keyboard, I see CTRL, and then to the right I see a four
Oh,
squares four like boxes.
a Windows button, right?
Oh, okay. Yes.
Yeah, that's called a Windows button. Okay. I want you to press and hold down that button, and while you're holding it down, same time press the letter R. R is in Roger. Same time
All
together.
right. All right. So now I see it says run. Type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you.
Okay. You may let go the button, and I want you to type in there C as in Charlie,
Okay. C as in Charlie.
M as in Mike,
M as in Mike.
D as in David.
Okay. So D as in David.
Yep. And then push OK.
All right. So now I see a black box on my screen.
Okay. So look like a command prompt. It is from a Microsoft corporation. If you will see left
Yeah.
hand side on that screen,
Yeah. I
it
see
says
that.
Microsoft. Yep. Is it good? Okay. Now, you will see a C and then semicolon backslash. Your name would be there, and the dash would be flashing, right? It's coming and going, correct?
Yeah. I see that.
Okay. Now, where the dash is blinking, I want you to type in A as in Apple,
Right, A as in apple. Apple.
S, yeah, S as in Sam,
S as in Sam.
again S as in Sam,
All right. S as in Sam again.
O as in Oscar,
All right. O as in Oscar.
C as in Charlie,
C as in Charlie.
and hit Enter button.
All right.
Enter.
All right. So now I see like a bunch of text just like flew by.
Okay. Could you read? What do you see?
Let me see. So .wvx equals vlc.wvx, .xa equals vlc.xa, .xaml equals windows.xaml document, .xar equals 7-zip.xar.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now look at the down bottom. You
Okay.
will see it's written send to target equals to and then CLSID, your computer license ID. Do you see
Oh, okay. Yes, I see
CLSID?
that.
I'm going to confirm the number if it seems to be correct. Please let me know and then we will move further, okay?
All right.
It's 888
Okay.
D as in David, C as in Charlie, A as in Apple, number 6, number 0. Is that your computer license ID you see?
Yes, that's what I see.
Yep, so it's 888DCA60.
Uh, yes.
All right. This is the only one computer you have connected to the network right now, or you have a couple of other computers as well, or any other device connected to it?
This is the only computer that I have.
Okay. Now, where the dash is blinking below that, I want you to type in N as in Nancy,
Okay. N as in Nancy.
E as in Edward,
Okay. E as in Edward.
T as in Tom,
Right, T as in Tom.
S as in Sam,
Right, S as in Sam.
T as in Tom,
T as in Tom.
A as in Apple,
Right, A as in Apple.
T as in Tom.
Right, T as in Tom.
Yep.
All right.
And hit enter.
All right, I just clicked enter. Right now I see it says active connections proto local address. Looks it's just loading something or something is scrolling. Like the text is coming kind of slow. Alright, so I see like some lines that show up that say like TCP and then like 172.168.51952 and then like 52177.165.30 HTTPS and I see established.
Okay, okay. All right, now this black window, it shows all the active connections right now. How many connections are active in this computer? Now, you see a local address, your address, your
Okay,
IP address.
yes.
Local address is your IP address. Now, other than a local address, do you see any other addresses?
Um, other than local address, I see a column that says foreign addresses. Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah, okay, foreign addresses. Now, normally computer does not show foreign addresses because your case, somebody else is also connected to your computer. That's the
Okay.
reason it's showing foreign addresses right now. And you also told me that there are some addresses which says established, right?
Yes, I see that.
Uh, Established are the connections which has been established successfully on your computer without
Alright,
your knowledge.
okay. So, how do I get these, like, connections out? If that's the correct word.
Yeah, first of all, we'll have to find out that how did you get this problem and what is the root cause, and
Okay.
then we'll have to work from there. See, because it's a technical thing, we have to work technically here. It's not that somebody physically hacking you. It's through the technical, through a software, someone is hacking you. So we'll have to find out the software, what software the person is using, and what's make your computer to get hacked by that person today.
Okay.
So again, we'll have to diagnose, and then you have to follow my instructions. Okay, you have to listen to me very carefully because this is a suspicious activity, and if you do something wrong in this computer, there are chances this computer may crash, and you may lose all of your information you have in it so far.
Alright.
So, in case you don't understand me, you can stop me, and I will repeat myself one more time. That's not a problem, okay,
Okay.
Terry? All right. Now, where the dash is blinking, you see on the same black window,
Okay.
down bottom, dash is blinking so you can type something, correct?
Alright.
I want you to type in there I is in Indiana,
Okay.
P is in Peter,
Okay.
C is in Charlie,
Alright, C is in Charlie.
O is in Oscar,
Okay, O is in Oscar.
N is in Nancy,
Okay, N is in Nancy.
F is in Frank,
Okay, F is in Frank.
I is in Indiana,
Okay, I is in Indiana.
G is in George,
Okay, G is in George. Okay.
hit enter.
Alright. Alright, so now I see it says like Windows IP configuration. And I see like some like lines that say like Ethernet adapter, Ethernet 0, connection specific DNS suffix, local domain. Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah, we're looking for IPv4 address and IPv6 address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Do you see that?
Yes, I see that.
Okay. Could you just read the IPv6 address? Just read one by one so
IPv6.
that I.
Okay, so IPv6. Let's see. FE80 3DBA 9DD3 A80A AF1C, and then I see a %7.
It's a percentage sign, right?
Yes, I see %7 at the end.
So this is the IPv6 address which you gave me. Okay, and could you read the IPv4 address?
Okay. 172.16.5.
Sorry, your voice is not clear to me.
Okay, so I'm gonna start over, okay? So 172.16.53.128.
Okay, just give me a minute here.
All right.
Is it a public network which you're using right now, or it's your personal network?
A public net. I mean, I'm not sure. I'm at my house right now.
I'm sorry, what did you say just now?
Yeah, I'm at my house right now. I'm not sure. I'm just using my home internet connection, if that's what you're wondering.
Okay, that's your home internet, right?
Yes.
Okay, so your family member also use the same network? I mean, or you the only one who use this network?
I'm the only one.
So you gave me it's 172.16.53.128.
Yes, that's what I have. Alright, so I just muted my mic. What I think he's trying to ping my IP, and I know it because this is behind like 2 firewalls. There's no way he's gonna ping this. So yeah.
Could you repeat your IP address one more time?
Which one? The V6 or V4?
Yeah, the IPv4 address.
The IPv4. Okay, 172.16.53.128.
Okay, next to it, do you see your IP address next to it? Just the IP address.
Just IP address? What do you mean just IP? I mean, I've been reading to you IPv4 address.
Okay, what is default gateway?
Default gateway 172.16.53.2. Like, what the hell is this guy trying to do? He's trying to ping I think he's trying to ping a local IP address. I mean, like, come on. Like, whether or not this is a virtual machine or not, that would show the local IP address. There's no way he's gonna ping it. Or maybe he's trying to look up if this is like, what kind of a router I'm using based on this. I don't know. So, is there an issue or something with, like,
Yeah, I'm
regarding
checking
this
it. Yeah.
IPv4 address?
Yeah, I'm checking right now. It seems that your computer is not recognizing your IP address and it does not show the location of yours.
What do you mean by the location of mine? Because I mean, like, prior to this message showing up, I remember that everything was working fine.
Somehow your computer got connected with some unsecure websites.
Okay.
You have clicked on some wrong URL link, I believe, and that's how you got this problem today.
All right.
Let me just scan your IP addresses here, okay? And may I place your call on hold for 1 or 2 minutes while I'm scanning your IP addresses?
All right. You can go ahead.
Thanks. I'll be right back. Stay connected.
All right.
Thank you for staying connected. I appreciate your patience. You there?
Yes, hello?
Okay, I just got a result, and it seems that due to this suspicious activity, the operating system which you were using in this computer, it got corrupted.
Okay.
It got damaged completely.
Okay, so
It's not recognizing you now. What you have to do is you have to install the operating system in this computer, and for further diagnosis, we have to connect your computer with our safe and secure network.
okay.
Okay, so that we can diagnose this further.
Alright,
And
so how do I do that?
okay, just follow my instruction, and I will be helping you doing that. Look at your keyboard. You have to press and hold down the Windows button and tap once on the R button,
Okay.
same way you did before.
Yeah, okay, so I see that run box again.
Okay. Delete everything from the bar. Make it empty.
Alright, I just did that.
Now type in there www dot
Alright, www dot
A as in apple,
A as in apple,
N as in Nancy,
N as in Nancy,
Y as in Yankee,
okay, Y as in Yankee,
D as in David,
D as in David,
E as in Edward,
20, okay,
S as in Sam,
alright, S as in Sam,
K as in Kilo,
K as in Kilo,
.com.
alright, .com, alright,
Click on OK.
alright, I just did that. Alright, so now I see it says remote desktop software anywhere, anytime, any desk. And I see like free download, buy now.
Alright, click on free download.
Alright. And it just says, like at this bottom right, bottom left of my screen, I see it's downloading anydesk.exe and it says 1 minute left.
Okay, bottom left, what do you see?
Like at the bottom left of my screen, I see anydesk.exe.
Okay. Click on that, open it, and then run it.
Alright. Looks like just... Alright, so now I see it says... let's see, it says connecting... Okay, so now it says this desk and remote desk. And I see like your desk can be accessed with this address. Hello? Hello?
I'm here. Can you
Okay.
hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, this desk, he says left hand side, this desk, and
Yes.
you will see a couple of numbers, right? So
Yes, I
could
see
you
an...
just read the numbers for me?
Yeah, 387 175 650.
387-175-650, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. You will get a pop-up on your computer, so click on accept. You
Okay.
have to click on all the positive options. Yeah, click on accept, allow access, and accept.
Oh, looks like I have to wait a little bit. Okay. Alright, I just did that. And then accept.
Accept, yeah.
Alright. Alright, and then I see it says Windows Defender Firewall has blocked some features of this app. Should I click on allow access?
Allow access, right? Click
Okay.
on allow access.
Alright, I just did that, and it looks like it says Daniel connected.
Okay. You will see, you'll have to click on accept. There would be a green color button. It says accept. So click on accept.
Okay, I don't see it just yet. I clicked on everything that said accept. I just can't see it now.
All right. Do you do homework on this computer sometimes?
Um, do I work from home? Like, I do. I've had to work from home lately.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I see my mouse moving. Is that you?
Yeah, that's me. I've got a control here. You see that?
Okay.
Okay. I would like to see the error message. Could you please show me the error message
I
you were
don't know
talking
where
about?
it went. Was it here? Microsoft official help and services? This? Oh yeah, it's this.
I can see where it is. Okay, yeah. All right, I see that now. This is the pop-up. Looks like a red in color, right?
Yes, it
Okay,
looks red.
okay. All right, then which browser do you use in this computer? I mean,
We,
Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome?
I usually use Google Chrome.
Google Chrome, you use it, okay. Okay. Do you think that you have visited to any website which seems to be not secure or which is doing something weird while visiting to that website?
I'm not sure. I mean, the websites I visit are like 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 the normal websites. I don't know why they wouldn't be secure.
Because now you just says that you also work from home, so you probably have installed a couple of software provided by the company, or you have downloaded it by
Uh,
yourself in this computer.
my
So there
my
are
comp
chances, yeah.
yeah, like my company like taught me how to like remote access the machines at work. They use a program called TeamViewer, and I know I have that on my computer, and that's all I need.
And what kind of a work it is which you do?
What kind of work? It's just like an office. Like I have to, I'm a like a statistician.
Right. And this is your personal, or it's given it to you by the company of yours?
No, this is my personal computer.
Okay. Right.
Oh, someone's about to get scammed out there back there.
Give me 1 minute here.
All right.
Hey, thank you for staying connected. Are you there?
Yes, I'm still here.
Okay. It seems that the person who hacked your computer, this computer has got downloaded third-party software, and the size of that software is so big and heavy. What happened due to that? The operating system got crashed, the operating system which you were using in this computer. So you have to reinstall the operating system in this computer. And which operating system you were using in this computer?
I guess it was Windows 10, I think.
Okay, no, that's a Windows 10. I'm talking about an operating system. It has a version operating system, which includes a file and software, which allow you to go to the website and work. Windows is a different, system is a different. So,
Okay, so then I'm not entirely sure what you're um talking about.
okay. According to the IP address of yours, it seems that it's a home version 10.2.1.3. That's the home version you were using. You have to reinstall this version again in this computer, and then this problem will be sorted out because the operating system is crashed, and the rest of the things which we will be taking care of, we will be removing the third-party software, but you have to install the operating system in this computer.
Okay, so like, will it cost me anything because I already, like, this computer came with Windows, so like, will it cost me anything?
Uh-huh. The operating system, okay. If you talk about the operating system, it will cost around $110. That's what the
Okay,
operating system it will cost you
okay,
to get reinstalled in this computer.
and then like, can you do it, or do I have to like bring the computer to a store and have them replace the operating system for me?
So, like, if we will do it, I mean, I'm not denying that I'm not gonna do because I'm a technician and you're a customer of ours. So, if you will say, I will do it. However, it will take a time because it's not a small issue. Installing the operating system, it will take around 1 hour of time. Will that be fine with you? Because 1 hour you will not be able to touch your computer.
Yeah, that's fine. I've already finished for today, and
Okay. Okay. All right. And do you think that you have a couple of informations in this computer which you do not want to lose?
uh,
Because in case if you want to reformat your computer, there are chances you may lose the data and the informations you have saved in it. So, do you think that you have any kind of information in it?
yes, I do. I have like some of my important documents.
Mm-hmm.
I have it saved in this computer. Like, I have some tax returns and like that type of data.
Oh, okay. Well, that's important data you have. I thought it's
Yes.
just a work computer.
No, it's my
Well, it seems
personal
to be
computer.
important data. Yeah. I got it. I got it. I got it. Let's do that way. Let me just find out the version real quick, and I will try my level best to sort it out this problem as soon possible. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, okay. Let's go ahead and check the version here. 10.2.1.3. Okay. Do you want me to install the same operating system which you were using in it, or you want to upgrade it yourself? Because what happened is if you work in the computer and if you visit to the website, because this is a basic operating system which you are on, and it could actually got damaged with a simple viruses as well. So there are three types of operating systems. So the one is basic, which is a home version. The second one is a pro version, and the third one is a professional version. Which
Okay.
one do you want me to install in it?
I mean, is there like a difference?
Yeah, that is a huge difference. I'll tell you. Operating systems, there are three types of operating systems. One is of home, which you were using in this computer. Second is a pro. Pro, it's come along with pre-installed softwares, which actually protects you from these kind of problems. And I mean, if you have a virus problem, again in future, at least your operating system will not damaged. And the pro is professional is for the people those who use a computer for business purpose. And for Excel, you will get a EXL, Microsoft Excels, and you will also get Microsoft Word and
Okay.
Microsoft Office
I
in
mean,
the
I
computer.
already like my company makes doesn't allow
Mm-hmm.
me to use Microsoft Office anyway, so
Okay.
yeah, so it doesn't that doesn't really matter to me. I mean, you're saying that like okay, so
Yeah.
there's the home version and then there's the pro version that comes with security.
I think then, don't use a professional, use a pro version at least, so that even if you do something, or because if you will visit to insecure website, you're not sure about the website actually these days, whether the website is secure or not. However, if you have a pro version in your computer, it will at least save your operating system and data you have in it. You will not lose any of the data.
Okay.
Because this home version will again in future there are chances, I cannot be lied to you, so there are chances this operating system can also get damaged if you will use a home. So use a pro version so that at least even if you visited to an unsecure website it will not happen again to you.
Okay, and
It
can you
never
tell me
dies.
how much
So
that's going to
the
cost?
well, it costs you just $50 more, and it costs
Okay.
you around $160.
Okay, well, I mean, I guess that's fine.
So let me just go ahead and install the Pro version in this computer. And like I said, it takes a 1 hour of time, and you will not be able to touch this computer, but you can sit back and see what I'm doing and how we are installing all these things. It takes a 1 hour. Will that be fine again?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Let me just connect it with this scanner here. So give me 1 minute here. Thank you.
All right.
And so you told me that you also have a team viewer.
Like TeamViewer, like my company makes us use this thing here, TeamViewer. It's the only thing that I have like
Okay,
from
team
my
viewer.
company that yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Let's do that. Let me take a remote in the team viewer then. Okay, I guess you know how to work with the team viewer would be easier for us as well. So could you just give me the ID and your password,
Yeah, hold
which
on.
allow the remote of this computer? What's the ID?
Oh, it's just loading. With yes, okay, so my ID is 1 588
1 588
638
638
882.
882. All right, and let me take it the password.
And the password is 56Z3XE.
56C. Log on. Okay. There you go. It is connecting. All right. You see, I think it is connected
Okay,
successfully with the
yes, I see that.
Microsoft network. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, great, great. Okay, now you'll have to tell me what all softwares are important for you. So while we are working, while we're installing, uninstalling the things which is not required in this computer, we will make sure that we will not remove the useful softwares of yours.
Okay, so I mean, like, Google Chrome, um, TeamViewer for work,
Uh-huh.
my company. Can we just look through my programs list?
Yeah, yeah. Please look at please.
I mean,
Yeah,
calculator, of
that would be
course.
great.
I've already covered Google Chrome, LibreOffice for like Word and whatnot. Mail is important. Mm. And I think that's it.
Okay, well, let me check it here again one more time. Why don't we just go to the home screen of your computer? This that would be because I wanted to see. You says that you also use it for the TurboTax, right? So you probably have a software for the TurboTax.
No, I keep that in here. Oh, where'd it go? That's weird. I don't know. I don't. I do not do my taxes here. I do them on like online. So
Mm-hmm. Why it is not letting me to work on your team viewer? I'm not able to click anywhere. What do you see on your screen right now?
right now I see any desk and a black box.
See any desk. Okay. All right. There you go. Okay, now it's working, I guess. Okay, that's me. Okay. So
All right.
now I see here a couple of icons. You says that Google Chrome, it's a browser. You need the browser Google Chrome, right?
Yeah.
So we'll leave it. The library office, I think this is related to your work,
Yeah,
so
that's
we'll have to
work.
leave this one as well. Right, okay.
Open
And
VPN.
VPN is also
That's also
for
work.
the proto networking. Yeah, yeah, yeah. TeamViewer is also kind of the VNC player with nothing to do with it, and Edge is again a browser. So just fine, fair enough. You just need to install the operating system. It takes 1 hour of time,
Yeah. Okay.
okay? And will that be under your name, this
Yes, it's under
operating
my name.
system? Yeah. Could you please open up a notepad over here on this computer screen so that you can type the informations we require from your side,
Notepad, like a
Terry?
Word document, is like a Word document
No,
file.
no, no, just a notepad. Just a notepad. If you will type here, it says type here to search. Click
Okay.
on it and type a
Oh,
notepad. It
whoops.
will open up for
I'll
you.
close that when it pops up.
Do not close, do not open any other things right now, please.
Okay, here, Notepad. Is this what you're looking for?
Yeah, yeah, type it here, notepad, over
Okay.
here, down at the bottom,
Yeah,
yeah.
I already have Notepad open.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I see that now. Okay, so first I require your name. Okay, not the name, but your first and the last name, okay?
Okay.
And your phone number, what phone number you want me to call once we fix this problem, and your email address, okay?
Okay.
And your billing address. Do you have a PayPal account?
A PayPal account. Yes, I do.
You do have a PayPal account. Okay, great. You can type your name over here, please.
All right. I'll just continue with the rest.
And that's the name appear on your card as well, which you're going to use for the payment, right? The same way it appears.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. There no middle initial, or is there any middle initial, Terry?
No.
No. Okay.
Let's see, 439.
Okay. And the address, yeah.
Whoops. Four. All right.
Right. If you just type in the card number, will that be the Visa or Master which you will be using?
It's a Visa card. Let me get it. Get the card.
Okay. Okay.
All right. I have the card whenever you're ready.
I want you to type it here on the notepad, please.
Okay, so just type the card number.
That's right. The card number, expiration date, and CVV.
All right. 272. 7. All right.
Okay. All right. So first, let's go ahead and fix this problem here. I'll have to generate the license key for the operating system of yours, and we will be installing a new operating system in this, and that would be a Pro again, right? You want us to
Yes.
install the Pro in this, okay? All right. Okay, now for the billing thing, I'm not the right person because you need to talk to the billing department. They will assist you further. I'm a technician here with the Microsoft, so I'll start work on your computer, and meanwhile, I will be connecting you to the billing department. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome, and thank you for calling Windows. You have a blessed day. Stay connected. I'm transferring this call to the Windows right now.
All right. Thank
If
you.
there's a long queue, then we will ask you to disconnect the line, and probably you will get a call from the billing department.
Okay.
You make sure you pick the call and talk to them.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
So,
Before
but
you
let me
go,
just try to connect this call. Yeah. Sorry.
yeah,
Go ahead.
before you go, I just need to tell you something. Is that you're a monachod scammer? Teddy maki chut monachod to scammer hey benchod. Teddy benki chut monachod.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, yeah, you're a scammer, monachod. Hello? Hello, benchod? Oh, benchod? Hello? Ooh. They disconnected. Hello, benchod? Nope, they just hung up. Alright, that's it.